Hello friends, today we're at Math Library. I am joined by Luna Lovegood and we're going to show you how to make Butterbeer sugar scrub. So here are the ingredients you will need. You'll need to start with some butterscotch extract, some vanilla extract, sugar, coconut oil, and gold mica powder. If you have shea butter, you can add that in as well, but if you don't, which we don't, we're just going to substitute by adding a little bit more coconut oil today. So let's get started. You're going to take your coconut oil, and for a smaller batch, we're just going to do 1.5 tablespoons. Okay. We gotta melt it too. Alright, so we're going to plunk this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. I will be right back.
And I have a Harry Potter joke for all of you. What's the difference between Crookshanks and a comma? Crookshanks has claws at the end of his paws, and a comma is a pause at the end of a pause.
We have melted our coconut oil, and now we are ready to add our sugar. And we want 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, Miss Luna, would you mind handing me the vanilla and butterscotch, please?
Of course.
Thank you. We're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a touch of vanilla, and also of our butterscotch. That's a lot, but that works. Would you like to use your wand and stir that together? What potions do you know? What spells do you know?
I know how to make a Patronus. You go expecto Patronum. Mine makes a bunny.
How is that going?
Very well.
If you like your sugar scrub a little dry, you can add more sugar and less coconut, which I think is kind of what we're going to do here. It's pretty good to me. Now all we have to do is add a little bit of our beautiful gold mica powder. Here. Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Stir some more. How's our color look?
It's pretty. It's getting kind of a nice little gold.
Let's have some
Maybe a
more
little bit more?
gold. Yes, a little bit more gold. That's shiny. I like that. That's a good consistency. Would you like to show our consistency? Now we'll just let this set up for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what your final products will look like. For the next week, while supplies last, we will have ingredients to make your own Butterbeer scrub. So swing by and pick one up. Hope you enjoyed.